Hi, I'm Luke. I am the director of Bumpa Man, and we are looking for more franchisees to join our team. From a lifestyle perspective, I really enjoy the flexibility of working my own hours. When the pressure's on, I put the hard work in, and when I want to take some time off, I can do so. If I want to go and spend some time with the kids, we can take a day off, and we can really have that quality time together. So basically, we're offering people the chance to start their own business, help them succeed with minimum overheads. So we want to be able to offer the franchisees a full team of support from accountants, marketing, financial advisors, and obviously the technical training for myself. So in my experience, having that full team of people behind you, it makes all the difference. So they're going to get 10 weeks on the job training, which at the end of it, they're going to become a certified technician. This is going to equip them with the technical skills that they're going to need to become a skilled technician and run a successful business. They're going to have direct access to the franchisor, which is obviously me, and I'm only a phone call away at any time. They're going to have business support and training, weekly payments, so there's cash flow. They're going to have admin support. They're going to have a client mix of retail and wholesale. They're also going to have exclusive territories, and they're going to have access to our marketing and business development team. So we're looking for someone who is willing to go the extra mile for the customers to get that high level of customer satisfaction. The 1% extra that you can do for your customers in our industry is so important to keep those customers happy. Not only is maintaining client relationships a must, it can grow your business. Positive feedback in this industry goes a long way.
Hi, my name is Owen Mason and I am a Bumpa Man franchisee. My experience so far has been great. It was quite daunting at first, but once I took on the challenge on board, I realised I'd set myself up for a career I was in control of. Ultimately that leads to more challenges, but with more challenges comes a higher sense of job satisfaction. Well, the hardest part was definitely the training, but once that got established, it sort of set myself up with all the skills I need to succeed, and now I'm really enjoying the lifestyle that comes with working for yourself. So far, yes, very positive. In fact, within the first year I was able to double my income. The benefits of being part of the Bumpa Man franchise, apart from the things I've already mentioned, is all the support that I get, training and advice to improve as a technician and help grow my business. And with the training, gaining education on how to introduce myself and find new customers in order to keep the business going, because starting a business is one thing, but sustaining it is another.
An ideal franchisee would be someone that has the drive and passion to succeed at owning their own business.